Welcome back to Add Art. In today's lesson we're going to be blasting off into outer space because we're going to be drawing an alien. So let's make a start, shall we? First we'll draw a big circle at the top. Now this is going to be the alien's space helmet, so make sure you leave enough room for another circle inside. And this is going to be its head. Just draw that all the way round. There we go. Now he needs to see what he's doing. He's got one eye, two eye, three eyes. So he's got three eyes looking out at us there. Do these little circles for the eyeballs. Put the pupils in. I might make that first one a little bit bigger. Last one, and we'll put some stalks as though they're kind of sticking out from the top of his head. Okay. Now we'll put a little smile in. And yeah, some of these kind of reflective sheens on the top of the glassy helmet. And I'll put his neck in. So this seals the helmet in place. We'll put some kind of lines on that in a circle. Do the same the other side. And just come down to the body, and we'll leave some space for his arms there. Little short body. Another curve for the tentacle. I think we'll give him some tentacles, shall we, rather than just normal arms. These come out like that, and I'll just leave a little gap because I'm going to put some suckers onto these, like a octopus. So there we go. So sort of like a dotted line, and we can put one circle in and another, and then it looks like kind of an octopus's tentacle. Let's do that all the way to the end. Put some little dots in to look like the centre of the suckers. Maybe a line like this coming all the way to there. Now if I'm going too fast, don't forget you can always hit pause, catch up and then press play again. I'm just going to do the same on this side. So he's going to have two long tentacles. Put the suckers in this side as well. And you could give him more than two. He's an alien, so you could give him 5 eyes and 6 arms. It's entirely up to you. Just going to bring that up there like that. Now what shall I do? I think I'll give him a stripy top. I'm wearing a stripy top today, so this alien can wear a stripy top. And let's have a think. Some long tentacle legs. It's coming down. 1, 2. Some the other side as well. 3. And then I'm putting these little like squares on, and it looks like a side view of the suckers. Can you see that? You can imagine him kind of crawling his way across a planet, sticking as he walks across. Let's put some more of those kind of rectangle shapes on this one. let's just put the shadow in there. And I think I'm going to give him some spots. Make him look even stranger. And you could colour these in different colours. Entirely up to you. You could make his legs and tentacles stripy if you wanted. There's no rules at all. Just finish that one off, and I think we'll do the same. His arms, maybe some little dots. All the way to the top. And on his head as well, so a few spots. And I'm doing these half circles near the edge of a line, and it looks like the rest of the circle has gone round the side of his face there. You can put in as many as you want. You could go smaller and big ones, and like I say, it's your alien. You do it as you want. So I'm going to put some of these almost like craters on the planet. So you might have seen these on the surface of the moon. Continue that behind. And just put a tiny one in the distance there. It's getting smaller because it's further away. Let's think another big crater here. Maybe we can see inside this one. We can see there's a big deep hole. Perhaps this is where our alien lives, down in one of these holes under the surface. Another circle. Let's finish that crater. Down it comes. Just cover in a bit of the edge there. Another one the other side. There we go. That's looking good. Put our planets in. 3 to make it a bit crazier. There we go. And got this space up here. Let's put in a UFO, an unidentified flying object with another alien in. Bring that round there. That's the edge of the flying saucer. Bring that there. Maybe it's got some flashing lights on the outside. And little round bottom there. Maybe let's give him a friend, someone who's popped by to say hello. Smiley face and funny little eyes there. Tentacle waving at his pal. And zooming along. So I think we're done for the day. I think that's looking good. There's our space alien and UFO, flying saucer. I hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on any other ad arts that might be coming along soon. Oh, and before I go, if you've got any ideas of things that you'd like me to draw, or if you want a shout out perhaps, I've now got an Instagram account. So I haven't got comments on this because it's for kids, but if you want to get a grown-up to drop me a line on Instagram, then yeah, maybe I'll draw what you've requested. So I'll see you next time on Add Art. Bye for now.